If you are a crypto holder holding XRP, we have some breaking news for you. You can see that XRP's value in the cryptocurrency market has dropped significantly today. If you watched my video yesterday, I recommended purchasing the dip, so you might want to do the same. Had sound financial counsel in predicting that we would likely pump. We always pump on Sundays whenever the markets crash. For example, we crashed all week last week. Sundays seem to be the days when the market is most likely to experience a pump due to Donald Trump's ability, for some reason, to rescue the market from crashes and other unforeseen events. And on Sundays, it gets completely out of hand. Futures on the stock market have also been rising recently. What happened specifically, and the basis for our big recovery today, was that Trump claimed to have had a terrific call with the president of China. Plus, our relationship is stronger than it has ever been. Very much looking forward to next week's meeting. It appears that our crash was partially caused by a misinformation campaign and a misleading narrative that was spread on social media. Well, would you believe it? A deal is expected to be reached between Trump and China, as they have already begun negotiating. Everything riding on this China deal is a complete and utter gamble, as the impending imposition of tariffs on November 1st would throw the cryptocurrency and stock markets into a state of perpetual chaos, leading to a precipitous decline in value. But the crash has already occurred. The market has been essentially processed. As far as you are concerned, the worst is already happening. Oh, but check this out. On November 1st, Trump reiterated that tariffs on Chinese imports would remain in place. There is plenty of time to reach a deal, folks, because the deadline of November 1st is so far away, according to him. Furthermore, tariffs are not something I anticipate happening. What Trump is doing at the moment, though, is a strategy for negotiations. Produce an agreement regarding trade with China. As soon as they reach the final end, you can bet what happens. Something bullish or an extension will inevitably pop up. I would therefore not be concerned. This group of terrorists is despised. Everyone would suffer greatly as a result. That then is how I feel about it right now. Because of that, the market has experienced a tremendous increase. If you're a part of my community, you've probably made a ton of money by buying low and selling high. We did this before most of this crash. We've also earned a ton of money today, and I don't even include my futures account. I made $112,000 on the spot, and it's up $32,000. You would be making a ton of money if you all followed my alerts precisely. Join my WAP community, the VIP tier, to have complete access, especially to the leveraged trades, and I'll show you how to trade. Now, to follow these alerts and do precisely what I'm doing, I make 6 to 7 figures every single month. My entire trading strategy is laid out for you every single Thursday. My course was just made public. It is highly recommended that you all watch that. That lays bare every one of my trading tactics as well. Therefore, what am I expecting to happen? It seems like the market has recently surged. The markets will likely have a minor correction, in my opinion. After that, I intend to repurchase. As a trader, I recently liquidated all of my holdings. My profession is that of a day trader, which is why I do that. However, my prediction is that we will likely experience a minor setback at some point this week. Perhaps even starting right now, we will see it unfold. We just got extremely hyped up following a major crash. Our plan is to take a short break before continuing to pump, in my opinion. Thus, I remain optimistic. Despite this slight setback, I continue to believe we will move higher. If you're in it for the long haul, this minor dip won't matter. However, as a professional trader, I make it a point to cash in on every pump and buy every drop, and I'm usually successful. For my part, I'm doing that. My prediction is that we will experience a minor setback later this week. Between now and the middle of this week, there may be a slight setback. Then I anticipate that XRP will recover the full dump, and that we will continue pumping. We were able to get a significant portion of it for XRP. We nearly made it to 260 today. I believe, however, that we will return to the $2.80 to $3 range in the near future. Consider Bitcoin as well. Today, Bitcoin has recovered to a level close to $117,000. Additionally, I anticipate a market rally in the event that all indications point to a successful China deal. Rate reduction are another consideration. Altcoin ETFs and XRP are also available. Extreme bullishness characterizes this market. To set the stage for the bull run, this crash and flush are doing just that, ladies and gents. They eliminated all leverage, which was quite a bit. Many lives were lost as a result. Biggest moves typically occur when they wipe out a lot of people. Therefore, before the next huge surge, there is always a steep decline. What about Bitcoin? I'd bet $150,000 on it. 160 to 200,000, and if so, $5 to $7 worth of XRP. Post a comment below and tell me what you think of the video and the future of the cryptocurrency business. My Algo Sniper trading indicator is what you need right now. Before this huge drop, it warned you to sell XRP and Bitcoin among all cryptocurrencies. At algosniper.net, you may give it a go right now without spending a dime. You may find the video and all the information I've mentioned in the description of my video. You will also be involved in trading. Blowfin offers long and short cryptos with leverage of up to 150 times. The Blowfin network was not disabled. Even after the market crashed, you were able to complete all of your trades. Well, that wraps up this video. Please consider subscribing with notifications enabled, giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you later if this was helpful to you.